2004 Toyota Sienna. We're going to change out the radio with Android. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to remove these two black panels. And inside, we got 4 10 mils. We're going to remove that. Disconnect all harnesses. Okay, remove all these harnesses. There is a locking push tab here. You just pull it out and disconnect the antenna. The radio came with a million different plugs. Whatever that matches, plug it in. Whatever don't match, don't use. Plug in all the harnesses. I believe this is wireless Carplay Android Auto. You don't need a USB, but we're going to run it on the side. Let's see if the radio works. We are doing a reverse cam. Pull this out. Pull the side panels out. Pull the back panel out. Remove the license plate. Make a hole. Put the back cam right here. Grab a reverse light from the back light. The reverse positive wire is the red with gray or green wire. Red-green wire. Oh, no stop. They are Carplay.